Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name Dian Salsabila. I will present material related to literature, namely is fable. The first, I will tell you about definition of fable. The fable is one of the fairy tales that features an animal as the main character. And next, I will tell you about the characteristic of the fable. First, the main character of the animal. 2. The storyline is very simple. And 3. The story is short and fast-paced. And 4. Characters are not described in detail. And next, style of verbal storytelling. 6. Messages or theme are sometimes written in the story. Next, the characteristic of the fable is the introduction is very brief and direct. Next is the structure of the fable. First, title. The title is the head of the essay, which serves to direct the reader's mind about the general description of the content of the fable. Next is orientation. Orientation is a sentence found at the beginning of the story whose function is to introduce time, place, and character. Next is complication. Complication is the part where the problem or story conflict occurs. Next is climax. The climax is the conflict reaching its climax. And then resolution. Resolution is the problem solving or conflict solving part of the story in fables. And last is coda. Coda is a moral message from the author. And yeah, this is the structure of the fable. And next, I will tell you about the kind of fable. Fable have two kind. The first is classical fables and next is modern fables. The first is classical fables. Classical fables are stories that have existed since ancient time, but do not know the exact time of their emergence, which were passed down from generation to generation through oral means. Next is modern fables. Modern fables are stories that emerge from stories that appeared relatively recently and were deliberately written by the author as a literary expression. And yeah, this is a material about fables. I hope you enjoy watch this video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.